I wanted to make this video to prove to everyone how cool fanny packs are. If you were born in the 90s like me, fanny packs is kind of something you wouldn't want to do. Everyone made fun of people with fanny packs and it was like a huge dork thing to do. But not sure if now, because I'm a dad and I have a 12-year-old daughter, that I'm so into fanny packs and I see how useful these things are. But yeah, anyways, I just kind of wanted to show you what I carry in my fanny packs and how I use them, and then maybe you can figure out whether or not it's something you want to try out. But so far, I've been loving these two. These are from Spiritus Systems. This is the Fanny Sack. Have them in two different patterns here. And yeah, so I guess we can start talking about this one here. This is the one I mainly use for all my carry guns. So if I'm wearing sweatpants or shorts and I don't have a belt or anything and I don't want to throw my concealed carry on my person, I usually just grab this and I'm good to go. I don't have to change or do anything, especially if you're rushing to get coffee in the morning or pan dulce or something. You know, you could just grab this thing and you have what you need. So in this one here, I have my SIG P365 or P365 attached to this T-Rex arm holster. That's also attached to this fanny pack here using this bungee. I double knotted it so that way obviously it doesn't slip out. But essentially what you would do is you would just kind of unzip it and go to pull and it'll come right out. Spiritus Systems actually made a video specifically on how to attach everything, so I'll link that below if you're planning on carrying your firearm in one of these. They actually make a lot of good points, and I honestly recommend you just watch their video on this subject. In here I'd probably throw my extra mag that I don't have. Actually, it's right here. So it'll have a mag in there, and then my carry gun, whether it's this one, my Glock 43 or whatever. That's just kind of how I use it. And then you can just swap the different holsters to, like, say this one's from Glock 43, attach it to any area you want, and then you'd have that holster in that fanny pack. This would technically be my everyday carry fanny pack setup. So I guess I'll just break it down. So here I have a cat tourniquet attached to those bungees that I mentioned from earlier. You could just kind of rip this off if I need to. I also have an air tag on here, just in case I ever leave this behind somewhere. If I take it off at a restaurant or something and I accidentally leave it there, this will notify my phone that I left it behind. In here I just have the Gold Star. This is kind of mainly like a joke because it's from Escape from Tarkov, but it's like a lip balm. I have this Benchmade in here that I don't like to carry in my pocket anymore. I have this pen that is actually a really nice pen. I'll actually link this one down below. It's all metal. Not sure what kind of metal it is, but it's pretty tough, and that's why I like it. Because some places, like if you travel in other countries, you can't really take your knives or anything. So this will do. You know, you just have this in your pocket, whatever. Also, what's in the main compartment is if I'm carrying this as an everyday, I most likely have one of my CCWs on me. So right now I'm carrying a Glock 19, so I have an extra Glock 19 mag with some gold dot on there, microfiber towel, some hand sanitizer, because it's not just COVID, it's just really everything out there right now. Flu, I don't want to get sick with anything. Some Skittles that are in there for as a joke as well, along with that Gold Star. This camera here, I mentioned it earlier, super bright, but it's actually it's a 360. This is one of my favorite cameras. I actually had the first generation of it. This is the second generation. It's a charging case, and then you can actually take this off. Comes with this lanyard here. You throw this under your shirt and you just kind of, it's a magnetic base. So the way you activate it for it to start recording is you just click on it once and it'll automatically start recording. So you're just walking around, doesn't matter which orientation you have it, it'll keep it leveled, which is pretty dope, which is why I really like this camera. I also have my AirPods in here that I spray painted that are super janky, but yeah. Then I have a GoPro. I like to keep this one in here because I do mount this to my car. My car actually has a GoPro mount on it that I could throw this on either way. And this has a built-in microphone as well, so don't really need anything else. Has a windscreen there too, so you don't get any of that wind noise. So this is pretty nice. This is a Hero 9. Doesn't show you, it's a Hero 9. And that's pretty much it. This is all the stuff I carry in this fanny pack here. You can carry it on your shoulder, like I'll be showing you in a bit, or around your waist, and it'll be just fine. If you have to carry anything more than this, like if you can always get a bigger fanny pack, not from Spiritus, I think, at least not yet. But if you get a bigger fanny pack at that point, might as well just like carry a smaller backpack. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to go over the whole fanny pack craze right now, because it seems like for this whole year, a lot of companies have been making some really cool gear, and fanny packs is something that isn't as talked about as often, but I think it's super cool for the everyday person.